very beautiful and spacious living area. I have the kitchenette area that's right here. Master bedroom, we keep the master bedroom, and I have pretty much good space around. Hello everyone, welcome to Housey. I am Ranjita and today we are here at Brigade Horizon by Brigade Groups located at Kambipura, Mysore Road. Well, we will let you know a lot in detail about this project, but before that, let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first largest real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the developers, thereby giving you the best bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing companies whereby you do an inquiry, your number will be passed on to multiple brokers, resulting in a lot of calls. Unlike other listing companies, Housey is one such platform where listing is done directly by the developers. So therefore, you can book your dream home directly with the developers through Housey. Today we are here at Brigade Horizon by Brigade Groups, which is located at Kambipura, Mysore Road. This project is spread across 5 acres, which consists of 18 blocks, each with basement, ground, and 4 floors, available in 1, 2, 3 BHK variants. Talking about the connectivities of this project, this is located right on Mysore Road, and also it is very near to the Mysore Express Highway, and also Kengeri Metro Station is nearby. If you're thinking about education, Rajarajeshwari College, Engineering and Dental both are very nearby to this place, and Kengeri BMTC bus stop is also pretty nearby. And talking about amenities, they'll have to offer 20 plus amenities, which includes entrance plaza, drop off, jogging track, play lawns, extended party area, multi-purpose area, pool deck, swimming pool, kids pool, seating enclosure, activity lawn, play deck, children's area and outdoor exercise area. Right now we are standing outside 2 BHK sample flat which is of 1064 square feet of Brigade Horizon by Brigade Groups, which is located at Kambipura, Mysore Road. Come, let's have a look at the flat. As soon as we enter, we see the entry space that's right here, which leads me to a very cute and cozy, I would say, like very beautiful and spacious living area. And as you can see here, you can accommodate your couch here, and opposite to that, there is this TV unit space, which is pretty spacious and nice, I must say. And also leading to that, I have a really good dining area that's right here, and it's very cozy and soft and smooth, I must say, and you can customize it as per your needs. And as we continue to go further, I have the kitchenette area that's right here, and on the both of my sides I can see pretty much spacious kitchenette area that's right here. And as soon as you enter, you can use that space for refrigerator, and again it's as per your needs. And continue to that, there is this micro oven space, and all the utility space is also right here, and you can accommodate as per your needs. So now let us have a look at the bedroom number 1. But before that, did we look at the balcony that is attached to the living area? No, right? Let me show you the balcony area. So there is this balcony area that is attached to the living area, and it's pretty spacious, I must say, and really good. Here I'm able to easily walk around the balcony, it's that spacious. So this is the balcony that is attached to the living area. Now let us have a look at the bedroom number 1. So as we continue to go further, here is our bedroom number 1. So now let's have a look at the bedroom number 1. Wow, this place looks really beautiful and nice, and it's pretty spacious, I must say. As you can see, I'm easily able to walk around the bed, and you can accommodate your table lamp or the bedside lamp that right opposite to the bed, because it's pretty spacious. And here is the bed space, which can easily accommodate your king size bed. And also to that, I have here a partially slidable windows which has really good view. And right beside this bed space, I have the wardrobe space as well, and powder area that's right here. And there's an attached washroom to the bedroom number 1, which has high-end sanitary fittings and anti-skid tiles. So now let us have a look at the bedroom number 2, that is the master bedroom. Oh wait, before that, let me tell you what actually Housey does for us. In Housey, we give you sample flat tours. In Housey, we give you exact location tours. In Housey, we will let you know pros and cons of each project. In Housey, we will give you 360-degree virtual tour of the project. And also, in Housey, we will give you full price inclusive of EMI and down payment. If after all this you would like to book your free site visit today, then what are you waiting for? Just by simple 3 clicks, by clicking on the link mentioned in the description box below, you can go book your free site visit today. So go book your free site visit today. Let's have a look at the master bedroom. Wow, as we continue to come to the master bedroom, we can already see the wooden flooring that's right here, which gives the luxurious touch to the master bedroom. And I have pretty much good space around the bed, and the bed space also is really good. And opposite to that, I have the TV unit space, and opposite to that, again, I have the partially slidable windows. And right opposite to that, I also have the closet area that's right here, and also the powder area. And also right beside that, I have a very small and nice space which you can use for workspace or study space. And opposite to that, I have an attached washroom of the master bedroom, which has anti-skid tiles and high-end sanitary fittings. So this was the 2 BHK sample flat of Brigade Horizon by Brigade Groups. If at all you want to visit this site, then you can go register yourselves on housey.com, and also you can download the e-brochure of this project by clicking on the link mentioned in the description box below. And before going, do not forget to subscribe to Housey for more details and project updates. Thank you. So Housey family, what do you think about the Brigade Groups? And if you know about the builder, let us know in the comment section below, and let us also know how many years has this builder been in the industry. And if there is any negative or positive comments that you'll have to mention about this builder, feel free to drop in the comment section below. It will really help us gain this feedback and make informed decisions.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.